Null school's a great way of seeing weather in the present and in the past. So I've currently got a projection on here. You can see the winds and the pattern of winds across the Earth. We can look back in the past. So if we go back to when Typhoon Haiyan was in 2013, I'll just go to the 6th while it was out in the Pacific. We can see Typhoon Haiyan here and the Philippines here. We'll zoom in a little bit. We can see there we've got the winds spiralling into the low, okay, and the highest wind speeds around the ice, so we can use it to show that. Across here on these bits as well, MSLP just means the mean sea surface pressure. So we could have a look at that and we can see, or we could show the students, higher pressure around and spiralling in to the low pressure zones. The other great thing we can do with this is move it on a day. Okay, so we can see there it's tracked on. I could move on an hour and keep moving it on so that we can follow the track of that storm across the Philippine Islands and look at its development over time. Switch the pressure off again so we can see a little bit better. Back to wind. Okay, and we can see that hurricane. We could step back, go back over and look at those wind speeds, and we can also show the students, if we go on a couple of days, where the storm ends up on its track. And if we look there, just gone on one more day and the storm has died out when it's hit land, so we can talk to the students then about friction from the land surface, the lack of available energy from the warm ocean waters, and so on.